In Lachyan village, Vijayapura district, a successful 21-hour rescue operation saved 15-month-old Satwik Mujagonda, who fell 16 feet into an empty borewell. Efforts involved lowering oxygen pipes and an endoscopy camera, with the child eventually slid into a trench dug beside the borewell. Various teams including the State Disaster Response Force, police and fire services collaborated in the rescue. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah praised the efficient rescue and stressed the need to close dry borewells to prevent similar incidents. Satwik's rescue underscored the importance of prompt action in emergencies. Siddaramaiah's tweet highlighted the joy of the family's reunion and urged society to be vigilant. The incident serves as a reminder of the dangers posed by abandoned borewells and the necessity of preventive measures.
Sir, Shatish Mamagari, nan Mamagari, 1.5 ವರ್ಷದ ಹುಡುಗರಿ ಅದು ಬೋರ್ ನಿನ್ನೆನೇ ಹೊಡೆದಿದ್ದೇವೆ ಸರ್. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಮುಂಜಾನೆ 9 ಗಂಟೆವರೆಗೆ ಕುಡಿ ಮುಗಿದವ್ರು ಸರ್. ಅದು ಮುಚ್ಚಬೇಕು, ಇನ್ನೂ ಮೋಟ್ರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಥರ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಸರ್. ಸತೀಶ್ ಸಾತ್ವಿಕ್ ರೀ, ಲಚ್ಯಾಣ್ ರೀ, ತಾಲೂಕು ಲಚ್ಯಾಣ್ ರೀ.